Once upon a time, in the lush bamboo forests of the east, there lived a playful panda named Pippa. Pippa was known throughout the forest for her boundless energy and insatiable curiosity. She spent her days climbing trees, rolling down hills, and exploring every nook and cranny of her beloved home. Not far from Pippa's bamboo grove, across the vast expanse of the grasslands, lived a young ostrich named Oliver. Oliver was a tall, gangly bird with long, slender legs and a curious disposition. Unlike Pippa, who thrived in the cool shade of the forest, Oliver loved nothing more than to feel the warm sun on his feathers as he dashed across the open plains. Despite their different habitats and lifestyles, Pippa and Oliver had one thing in common, a deep longing for adventure. Each day, as they went about their respective routines, they couldn't help but wonder what lay beyond the borders of their own little worlds. One bright morning, as Pippa was munching on bamboo shoots and Oliver was pecking at seeds in the grasslands, a gentle breeze swept through the forest, carrying with it the tantalizing scent of something new and exciting. Pippa's black ears perked up as she sniffed the air. "What's that delicious smell?" she wondered aloud, setting down her bamboo shoot and sniffing the air again. Oliver, who had caught the same enticing scent, lifted his head and scanned the horizon. "I don't know, but it smells amazing," he exclaimed, his long neck stretching as he strained to see what lay beyond the grasslands. Without a second thought, Pippa and Oliver set off in search of the source of the delicious aroma. They traveled through the forest and across the grasslands, their excitement growing with each step they took. Finally, after what felt like an eternity of walking, they stumbled upon a bustling marketplace nestled at the edge of the forest. The air was filled with the sounds of laughter and chatter as animals of all shapes and sizes browsed the colorful stalls, sampling exotic fruits and spices from far-off lands. Pippa's eyes widened in amazement as she took in the sights and sounds of the bustling marketplace. "Wow, this place is incredible," she exclaimed, her fluffy tail wagging with excitement. Oliver nodded in agreement, his eyes sparkling with wonder. "I've never seen anything like it," he said, his beak agape in awe. As they explored the marketplace, Pippa and Oliver sampled all sorts of delicious treats and marveled at the exotic wares on display. They danced to the lively music played by a band of monkeys, tried on colorful hats made by a family of beavers, and even got their portraits drawn by a talented squirrel artist. But amidst all the excitement and commotion, Pippa and Oliver couldn't shake the feeling that something was missing. Despite the wonders of the marketplace, they couldn't help but long for the familiar comforts of home. As the sun began to set and the marketplace started to wind down for the day, Pippa and Oliver bid farewell to their new friends and set off on the long journey back to their respective homes. As they trudged wearily through the forest and across the grasslands, their hearts heavy with longing, they realized that what they truly cherished wasn't the thrill of adventure or the excitement of the unknown, but the simple joys of friendship and companionship. And so, hand in paw and wing in wing, Pippa the Panda and Oliver the Ostrich returned to their homes, grateful for the adventure they had shared and the bond that had blossomed between them. From that day on, Pippa and Oliver were inseparable. They explored the forest and the grasslands together, discovering new wonders and creating cherished memories along the way. And though they may have been different in many ways, Pippa the Panda and Oliver the Ostrich knew that true friendship knows no bounds and that with a friend by your side, every adventure is sweeter and every day brighter.